This is Captain Dave Perros from Salty Cape here at the Bass River Boat Ramp in Yarmouth. One of the advantages of this boat ramp is you're looking right out at Nantucket Sound. Talk about a short run, launch your boat, you're right out at the Nantucket Sound. From here you have access to right across the sound towards Monomoy. You know, really good area to consider launching from because, you know, there's nothing better than having a short run to open water. The other thing that's nice about here is the fact that you can actually go up into Bass River. The town of Yarmouth does have another ramp up inside the river, but Bass River is a beautiful spot. Lots of good fishing. It's not called Bass River for no reason. There's plenty of striped bass in Bass River. And for small boat operators who don't want to go out into Nantucket Sound, and here we are right here, here's Nantucket Sound right off here, you can go up into Bass River and do plenty of fishing and enjoy yourself. So, I mean, a really nice location. The boat ramp has a nice pitch to it. You can see my boat easily with the float-on trailer to access. We're pretty low in the tide cycle right now, so it should be good through all the different tides. Biggest parking lot that I know of on Cape Cod, dedicated to vehicles and trailers. Really nice setup. Definitely a double boat or vehicle boat ramp. This area is almost 100% dedicated to vehicles and trailers, which is really nice. No problem with people staging. So really good setup. In fact, you can see they've got arrows in the parking lot indicating a kind of a circular pattern, semicircular pattern, so that people know who's coming in and who's coming out, which is one of the problems sometimes, is you're not sure who's supposed to be going in and who's supposed to be coming out. So you don't have a problem here. During the season, there's a snack bar here. You're in really close proximity to Route 28. If you need to find the gas station, you're not going to find any gas here, but there are plenty of gas stations around Route 28, restaurants, plenty of activities. If you want to go fishing and your family wants to find some sort of activity, or somebody wants to go shopping, as I said, Route 28 in Yarmouth has plenty of shopping. Absolutely fantastic facility. Just a really overall good spot. Nice location.